Welcome to WebStarBus. If you run a blog, you might have heard about GBOB, guest blogging, guest posting, or guest authors. Guest posting adds a new income stream to your already established blog. I have owned several high authority blogs myself. One of the challenges I faced was managing guest posts and guest authors. Granting guest authors permanent membership on your blog can be tricky because they don't post frequently. They only contribute occasionally. However, as a blog owner, you want to present them as legitimate members of your publishing team to maintain credibility with your audience. This is where this solution comes in. If you want to display guest authors, just like regular authors on your WordPress site, here is how you do it. Let's say this post is a guest post and you want to display its author even though he or she is not a regular author on your site. You can do that by installing a plugin named as guest author. After installing and activating this plugin, edit that post. Now it was published by admin. You can change that. Let's select guest, author name, author URL, author description. Here is some dummy description. And let's change the image. Now this is our author. Let's update the post. Reload the post. And now its author is John Doe. And we can't see author box below this post because this theme does not support author's bio. To show the author box, we'll have to do this. Let's have a look at Customizer. Appearance Customize. I'm using theme Astra. So here is blog, single post. Author box is not available in free version. Let's go to our WordPress theme. This is Astra. And edit single.php. Open that file in editor. And here probably we can use this template. The author meta description. Let's see. And here we have it. You can remove this about. Now we have got the name, the description, but it's below the comment box. Can we use it here? Can we use it after primary content tab in the Astra? It depends on your theme. Most themes have this feature. But if not, you can, use a little bit of code to show this. So we can call author image as well here. Echo get avatar, get the author meta ID. And then rest is same. And here we have it. We will need a little bit of CSS to make it a bit better. Paste these styles in the header. And here we have it. Well, there is this maxed width. Now it is better. So probably you can move this here. But this is how you can change the author and use a guest author or guest post easily. But if you don't like this method, this code, then there are specific plugins you can use like this WP post author and simple author box. Let's see if it will work. Simple author box, install, and we are installing it on Astra, free version that doesn't support author box. And here we have it, out of the box. This is being injected by that plugin that we just installed. Simple author box. You can use this simple author box. If you don't like to use this code, PHP code, and this CSS code, this plugin will work. It will add the author box below the post. Right? And you can change author of this post anytime. And you see that author is not registered in my blog, but we have managed to accommodate a guest author in our blog. So this is how you can maintain credibility with your audience while accepting guest authors and guest posts. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.